Okay, so this happens all the time on these 4runners and Tacomas. I've had to do it on both my Tacoma, and now my 4runners finally broke. Basically, the little clip inside the door breaks off. The handle's still fine, and there's just a little clip that holds the rod inside that breaks off. And this is what happens. You can clearly see that the door's unlocked, but the door won't open. So I'm gonna show how to fix that real quick. Okay, so once you've reached through the rear driver's side door and get the door open, basically just gonna start taking this door panel off. You got one screw here, typically there's a clip here, and then there's a bunch of clips all around this. Super easy to take off, especially if you have the panel removal tools. Alright, there we go. I forgot about the little clip. You know, just unclips it from the side here, and then it just pulls right out. I don't know why I forgot about that, but yeah. Anyways, on to the next. Just do the lift up on here. There we go. Unplug this. And plug here. There we go. And then that's that out. Mine's actually pretty bent. Okay. I believe that is it as far as clips. Alright. So battery died on the GoPro. Alright. So we're on to this part here. Basically go around, try and pop all these off. Can get around. It should just all, there you go. Two more screws. Of course there is. Lift up on that, and there you go. It's free. Oh man. So this is my first time in here, and somebody, previous owner, made a mess of this. Alright. Come here, River. Hey, Rusty, come here. You leave that dog alone. Come on. Alright, so the little piece that breaks, actually, it looks like mine just came loose by the looks of it. Huh. So, basically, that is supposed to be in there like that, and then this clips down. Ah, okay, I see. That's what happened. Alright. So, mine, obviously, the piece that holds it in is busted. So, alright, time to take that out and see if I can grab a new one. I'm doing it today. There we go. So it looks like, yeah, just this piece here busted. Okay, simple enough. But yeah, that's basically the little, you know, part that breaks and makes it so you can't open the door. Okay, well, got back from Toyota. Here's the part numbers for all these things. This is the part number for the clip that broke. And then these are for the upper panel clip right there. I grabbed both of them because I'm missing the one on the passenger side as well. So I figured I might as well replace that. And then these go to my center console, which I needed as well. So, all right, let's get this back on. Okay. So, how did it go? It goes like that, and just like that. Oh, other way. Hang on. So, gotta put it in its slot first. Twist it up. In, clipped on. There we go. Just like that. Close the door. Alright, works again. Super simple. Just a little, how much was that part? It was $4.83. Super cheap. It's mostly just taking apart your door panel. So, alright. Put all this back together. Alright. Get rid of my old crappy steering wheel. Much better. Just a temp fix until I can get it reupholstered. Alright, so trying to put the door panel back on. Just like that. We glued up a panel or one of the clips that busted. So you want to make sure this wiring's all ran up through here. Top part in, just like that. Make sure the wires are up in here for the panel. Like that. That's why. So this thing has aftermarket speakers, and the speaker is slightly putting the door panel out. That's why it's not sitting correctly. I didn't put those in. There you go. And should fix the door. Works again. Super simple. It cost $4.83. Super easy.